SCORP Pro button operation and appearance. This is SCORP Pro. Gimbal and remote control handle integrates home button and handle power button. The focus wheel, Gimbal mode button and Gimbal power button Type-C charging port. Trigger button, 2 extension focus motor ports. Knob function switching button, multifunction knob, main knob, A, B, C button, record mark points, multifunction knob, hand knob, joystick and shutter button, handle mode button, camera control port, image transmission port, tilt axis, roll axis, pan axis. Thank you for watching.